Hello traders, this is Ivan. It is Friday, and you know that always on Fridays we are giving a weekend special offer. So today we also make triple weekend offer. You will see what does it mean in few minutes. In meantime, just to see what is happening here, new scalper lock trader in live trade here. So this is a new scalping system. We'll not talk about any product too much because, guys, everything you have here on my web page, for example, engulfing strategy, just click the video here to see how to use it, or here, scalper lock trader. You will be directed to YouTube, and there you can see at least one and mostly even 5, 10, even 20 videos about each product. So, also this is Breakout Plus Trader. Open the trade with GBP USD, so breakout strategy. Binary Reaper, breakout. So many products we have. You see fantastic breakout trader here, but we didn't open. I didn't open chart on time. This is breakout box manual system. You see breaking here, entering here. But for more, also go to my YouTube or my web page to find out. You see this US 30 breakout, and here the trade. Breakout here, open the trade. So we have many products. Fantastic, FX scalper. New version X3. Watch the video from yesterday for more, or go to my web page. In live, winning USD JPY. Here we are using many times showed in older version and in new, but it is a different settings now. Future MACD, which is predicting future movement. For more, as I said, yesterday video, or go to my web page or YouTube. So what to show, this is turbo hybrid trader in live trade. You see, I didn't show too much this system, but also you can find more info. Turbo hybrid trader is made of two indicators systems connected in one, and this is only expert advisor. You have indicator, you have expert advisor. This is my new strategy, private strategy, HF, or in my language, HF strategy. Remember this. Also you can find it on my webpage. Scalper lock system, trend lock system, or I don't know what we have else, Euro USD, we have some trade, and of course fantastic Omega Turbo Trader, expert advisor, and here it is indicator. So this is two products. If you want to buy only indicator, you can buy only indicator, or if you want only expert advisor, or both. Today you will have a chance. So what we are offering today, this is new trendy trader V4.4, 2 days ago. So I made several videos with live trades yesterday and the day before yesterday. Fantastic trendy trader, the only one on market. And engulfing strategy, so indicators and expert advisor. If you trade with indicator, you see you will get signal. You will get signal and you can trade under some conditions I explained in many videos. So this is just to remember you that this is both indicator and expert advisor, or you can buy only indicator, only expert advisor. So not to be long today. I will give you a special weekend promo. So, weekend promo is for any free product you choose. Any free product. You can choose free expert advisors or free indicators or anything you like what I have showed now, or just go to my webpage. But we have free prices. We have Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I cannot write with my mouse. So any free product you choose today, only 99 euro. Today Friday, tomorrow also free product, 109. So it is good to be fast, quick, 119 on Sunday. In all options you will get unlimited. I cannot write, guys. You will find all this in my text in subscription box. Unlimited licenses. But today you will get extra bonus, my private HF strategy for free. So it will be 4 products, but only today. So today you save 10-20 euro plus free my latest private strategy. What is this private strategy? This is it. You see in live trade. How to use it I cannot say. Of course you know why. When you buy it you will get training video and this template. So you will get training video and this template. So this is for free. Only today. Don't come tomorrow or any day say I saw video, yes you said this. So I will not accept. Only what I said now. Keep, guys, please, with these dates, prices, because I want that all have the same conditions. So this promo is valid today, tomorrow and the day after tomorrow under conditions I set. And it is only for my subscribers or my customers, previous customers, which have bought something in past. Or you should be subscriber on my YouTube. Don't ask for promo if you are not my subscriber or my customer. If I am giving such a good offer, I can ask at least to be my subscriber. So, one more time, today 99 euro, or any free product you like to choose from my web page. And plus, only today you get this for free. So 4 for 99. For 99. Tomorrow also free product, but price is a little bit higher. 109. Without this, of course. This is only valid today, this free bonus. And on Sunday also free products, but 119 euros. So you can save if you want to be quicker. Also, I forgot to say, you will get unlimited number of licenses, all 3 days. So what to say more, guys? Send me email, or you don't need to send me any email if you know If you are already my customer, you know how to pay. Revolt, Visa, with bank accounts, or if you have this Revolt application card, directly payment in 1 minute, like this and this. PayPal, you know, only follow as it is. Type of payment only as a friend. Bitcoin or any crypto. Here you have crypto addresses, Bitcoin, wallets. But if you need any other crypto, I don't know, USDT, Litecoin, Ethereum, any, I have more than 50 cryptos with addresses. Or if you don't have any of these options, this is always here. Western Union, contact me for details. But I must say that Western Union is open only today, on Friday here. So if you pay, for example, on Sunday, you should wait until Monday, because Western Union office is closed on Saturday and on Sunday. So, guys, what to say more? Have a nice weekend. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.